Huidrom Development Committee President Rajen Huidrom today claimed that relevant authority has skipped road construction work at Huidrom village after villagers raised complaint to ensure quality maintenance. Villagers had reportedly made a complaint to relevant authority to carry out the road construction work at Kaibi Road that connects Saungbung with Sagolmang by adhering to work order scheduled. And following the complaint, relevant authority have reportedly skipped road construction work at Huidrom village and started work at Paurabi area. Speaking to media in this regard during a press meet called by Huidrom Development Committee, Huidrom Apunba Maira Paibi Local Club and Villages, President of Huidrom Development Committee, Rajen Huidrom said the road construction along Kaibi Sagolmang Road started recently after it remained ignored for years. However, villagers found that the construction was carried out without proper maintenance of quality and in total contrast to work schedule prescribed by Public Works Department. They first took the matter to contractor who was handling the construction work but did not get any positive response. They again approached Chief Engineer of PWD who sent an AE to inspect the work. The AE told the villagers that the construction was not carried out in correct manner and it needs to be restarted again. The road construction was halted for some time. However, it resumed at Paurabi area by skipping Huidrom village. Later, villagers were surprised when they learned that the road construction was stopped due to protests by Huidrom villagers. Rajen Huidrom further maintained that the villagers had never stopped the road construction work. They were only demanding for proper quality maintenance. He also urged Chief Minister, local MLA to look into the matter and ensure that road construction work is carried out at Huidrom area with proper quality maintenance.
Somungdaina Sagomang Bogi Lambi, when a pig may give you powder, it didn't want to send it about. Hari Balambi, Semak Pasida, Akoina, Kayamak Matik Haujay, when a Masigi, Semak Pasida Magi, Mowong, Kaman, Semakani, Habazi, Kanga Brina, Sema, if it's to me Ningdana, Kaitoi, Adubo, Wow does it Pambakanda, Hari Bamona, same Zigadi, Karao, Taiwan, Maramdi, Hari Bazi, Hana put trying to Pakani, Lambizi, trying to Zigi, Mataida, Pun Manga, Makai Manga, Makai, Patoka Davani, Hari Bamanga, Manga, Makaji, Pakpasida, Magi, Neomama, Pyramid. Manga Makaisda, Chitaru, Hukaima Luna Taudaraga, Hariba Posigi, Mataxida Balu single Hapaga, Hazana roller, Saraba Matunga, Paka, Lauga the Boverame, Haribalambis, the Dimadu Tokidre, Jesibina Moina, Tawi Harakani, Tauri, Potu di Karga, Kolaga Salaga, Lebak to do, Hapsalaga, Taga Sakibani, Kotoi Lebak to di, Mapam di the Hapayaramdre, Atopazaga, Lantoki the Warame, Matam Sanga, some Niner Podegi, Haribudi, Yunguda, Taudabadegi Lambis, Madugi, Nium, Sum, the Subiu, Haidana. Akoina Hajarubuda, Abidre, Pagi Office, PWD, the Jimjinia, the Quena Dragas, Tazarea, the Matunda, Hariba, E. Masala, Agas, the Wari Sanadana, Quite Taurazi, Hadana Sakraga, Halaktre Amwana, Tingamu, Akogi, Huidrom Kungangasida, nothing many Harga, Quaki Zagazi, Kalaga, Zagama, the Suba Horpa. Masidi, Quamayam, Tolakana Mara Pabi, Quakin Committee, Puna, Taudana, Masigi, Kanozi, Tauzarakani.